Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how you can adjust the balance and fade of the radio speakers and also how you can test each speaker individually. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so here on the main vehicle screen you will press the sound and this will get you to the sound submenu. Here you can adjust the bass, mid and treble, but you want to select the position. And here now you can select which speakers you will be using. Now right now this is set in the middle, right? And you can adjust the balance and fade by moving this icon, this cursor. So if I do this, only the right sided speakers will be working, right? And if I do this, for example, only the rear right speaker will work. So this is why I said this way you can also test each of the speakers. If I do this and the right rear speaker is not working, that means there is a problem with these speakers. Maybe the speaker failed or the wiring issue or something like that. But this is how you can do it, right? And for example, if you have two passengers in the back and they want to listen to the music and you want to have a conversation in the front, you can do this. No, actually you can do this, so they can listen to the music in the back and you can talk in the front. So these are a couple of options you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.